Hello, friends. Today we're talking about your clutter. And we talk about decluttering a lot. But today I want you to change your mindset. I want you to de-own your clutter. De-own it. Let it go. You know, we glom on. We don't want to get peeled off of our stuff. And we don't want our stuff peeled off of us. But why? Why? Because it's such a pressure on you to have that stuff. Excuse my little frizzies. It's so crazy that we own all this clutter, which is doing us no service whatsoever. It is not serving us in any kind of way. It's not something we cook with or wear or clean with or display. We don't love it. We don't wear it. We don't need it. We don't use it. De-own it. De-own it. So can you make that little change in your mind? You know, attitude is everything in life. And the attitude of de-owning is a great attitude. So let it go. Let it go and make it a great day.